There it is. What's up, YouTube? Airplane, we're probably gonna get in trouble, but fuck it, let's go see. Let's send this thing off this. Let's get us some YouTube videos. Oh shit. Whoops. All right, y'all, this could end real bad. Yes, working in real cool like that. Aw. How you gonna get back up here, little buddy? That was awesome. Yes. Oh shit. Yes, y'all, this is awesome. Here we go. Uh-oh, damn it. Oh, damn. Killed it before it get down there. Oh, it knocked the motor lead out. Sweet. Maybe. All right. That was sweet. Oh. I want to hit this thing. Oh shit. There it is. There it is. There it is. That was fucking sweet. Oh shit. Yes. Back on its wheels. Jump over. Let's do that again. Oh shit, stop. Oh my god. About lost it. Oh shit, this thing's a beast, a fucking beast. Oh. Oh fuck, that was a bad hit. Yep, it's undone. That was brutal. Oh, shut off. That's no good. That's no good. Oh, he's turning back on and off and shit. That's no good. It's a max 4 in there. Oh, battery's almost unplugged. Duh. All right, let's get this back. Hold on, I'll shut you off. Did you survive that? He did. He made it. This is steep, y'all. That's impressive in its own right there. That's impressive. Let's see if I can kill myself, y'all. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, that was rough. Where's the good spot at? Where's that sweet spot at? Oh, the shit, lost the shoe. I think I'm gonna stay off the hill, y'all. We'll roll back. She's a beast though, y'all. Let's get some flybys on her. Holy. That's what I'm talking about. Max 4 ESC from Hobby Wing, 800 kV or 1100 kV motor in this one. Or no, that's got the 800 in it, my bad. 800 kV Hobby Wing, Max 4 on 8S. Oh, that broke it. The wheel's hanging off. Oh shit, broke it. That's gonna do it for this one, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. I should have drove that back to the car before I broke it. Dag on it. Hopefully it's just a wheel nut. Let's check it out together. This baby was shredding. If it's a big bright wheel nut, I should be able to find it. No, link broke. End of a linkage. Oh, we snapped the linkage in half, boys. That's all it is. Linkage snapped. We're going, oh, shit. Tight. All right, the dog bone's out of there, that's why. All right, I'm gonna try to get this in here, limp her back to the car, and as always, fellas, you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Till next time, peace out, y'all. My shoes are down in them holes of mud, and I just sunk 3 foot in the damn mud, man. Ruined my Nike pants and everything. Look at this. Unbelievable. My shoes are in there. All right, y'all. Peace out.
Long life, now we feeling it again. Better hold